We will restore the tower. The tower is the iconic symbol of the University of Texas at Austin. It is a beacon to all Longhorns. It draws us in at the beginning of our time as students, and it calls us back as alumni. It's the ultimate statement of our university's excellence. And yet the tower has been tarnished by time. Now, going back 90 years, the decision to build the tower in the first place was audacious. In the 1930s, there were only a few thousand students on campus, and the only other tall building was the state capitol. The idea of building a 300-foot tower at that time was a bold statement. But those leaders knew that this university was exceptional. They knew what it meant to be a flagship. And it's no wonder. Those leaders were Longhorns. Well, Longhorns, it's our turn. As much as the tower has done for us over the ages, it is our time to take care of it. Just as we restore public trust, revitalize our academic commitment, and reimagine our missions in research and medicine, we are going to do the same thing for that great symbol of this university. We will restore, revitalize, and reimagine the tower. We will return it to its original glory and prepare it to be the everlasting beacon for Longhorns for the future. And when Longhorns come together to celebrate great moments of our shared history, the tower will be there. And when those moments come, at commencement, at Gone to Texas, or the next national championship, we will light the tower. We will strike up the band. We will raise our horns. And we will remember that we are part of the greatest university in the world. Hook 'em horns!